Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to download and install Street Fighter 6 on PC or laptop. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to have your Steam account. So to do that, just open your web browser and then type out store.steampower.com and then click on the install Steam option. So this one, and then click on the install Steam option again. And then right after that, you'll be able to see the file. Just click on it and then install it, and you will be asked to create or sign in to your Steam account. Now that you have done that, open your Steam application and then use the search bar and then type out Street Fighter 6. Okay, so just click on this one. Okay, and then scroll down until you can see the price of the game, and then just click on the add to cart. Okay, this one. And then you can purchase this game for yourself or purchase this as a gift. So I'll be purchasing this game for myself, and then you will then be able to select or choose the payment method that you want to use. Okay, and then right after that, just type out your payment information and you will be able to purchase or install the game. So right after installing the game, you would be able to play it. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.